Everyday action phrasal verbs. Cleaning and washing. Wipe down. Meaning, to clean a surface by rubbing it with a cloth. Wipe down the kitchen counters. Wipe down the table after lunch. Sweep up. Meaning, to clean dirt, dust, or trash from the floor using a broom. Sweep up the leaves in the garden. Don't forget to sweep up the dirt from the hallway. Mop up. Meaning, to clean and remove liquid using a mop or cloth. Mop up the spilled juice. Mop up the kitchen floor after dinner. Vacuum up. Meaning, to clean and remove dust, dirt, or crumbs using a vacuum. Vacuum up the crumbs from the carpet. Vacuum up the sofa cushions every week. Dust off. Meaning, to clean or remove dust from something by brushing or wiping it. Dust off the shelves weekly. I'm dusting off the picture frames. Decluttering and removing. Take out. Meaning, to remove something from inside and carry it outside. Take out the trash, please. I'm taking out the recycling bin. Throw away. Meaning, to put something into the garbage because it's no longer useful. Throw away the spoiled food. We need to throw away the old newspapers. Toss out. Meaning, to get rid of something by throwing it away. Toss out the broken plates. Let's toss out the empty bottles. Clear away. Meaning, to remove things from a place, usually to make it neat or tidy. Clear away the dishes after dinner. Clear away the toys from the floor. Get rid of. Meaning, to remove, discard, or throw away something unwanted. Get rid of old clothes. Why don't you get rid of the damaged chair? Chuck out. Meaning, to throw something away. Don't chuck out food, save what you can. Chuck out those empty boxes. turning on, off and operating. Turn on, meaning to start a machine, device, or light. Turn on the lights, please. Let's turn on the TV and watch the news. Turn off, meaning to stop a machine, device, or light. Turn off the fan before leaving. Please turn off your phone during the meeting. Switch on, meaning to start a machine, device, or light. Switch on the heater, it's cold. Can you switch on the washing machine, please? Switch off, meaning to stop a machine, device, or light. Switch off the lamp before bed. Please switch off the radio. I can't focus. Shut down, meaning to completely power off a device. Shut down the computer after work. Please shut down your phone during the exam. Miscellaneous. Hang up, meaning to put clothes on a hanger, hook, or line. Hang up your coat, please. Don't forget to hang up the laundry outside. Fold up, meaning to bend or fold something into a smaller shape. Fold up the blankets after use. Fold up the stroller and put it in the car. Stock up, meaning to buy and store a large amount of something for future use. We need to stock up on groceries before the weekend. I'm stocking up on canned food. Fix up, meaning to repair or improve something. Can you fix up the broken chair? We need to fix up the leaky faucet. Look after, meaning to take care of something or someone. Look after the plants while I'm away. Can you look after my younger brother?